Good morning. This is a recording for Saturday, May 10th. Today's Zen story is titled The Teacher Who Forgot His Name. I'll read it to you first, and then we will do a brief reflection around it. A young monk wandered into a bustling marketplace, searching for a renowned Zen teacher. He came upon an old calligrapher seated at a wooden stall, painting characters onto paper with slow, practiced strokes. "Excuse me, elder," the monk said. "I seek the master who lives in this town. Do you know where I can find him?" The calligrapher dipped his brush into ink. "A master? What's his name?" The monk bowed. I don't know. It is said he is a great teacher." The old man pressed his brush into paper, forming a single elegant character. "Strange. I've lived here for a long time, but I don't recall a master." The monk frowned. "Are you certain?" The old man lifted the paper and held it to the wind. The ink was still wet. The breeze smeared the character into nothing. "I once had a name," the old man said, almost to himself, "but I seem to have forgotten it." The monk stared at the empty paper. The old man dipped his brush again. The monk wanted to say something, but the next word never came. The marketplace roared around them. Now take a comfortable position. See if you can relax your body and arrive in stillness. Maybe close your eyes and take a nice, satisfying breath in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you and the quiet spaces between sounds. Try to be here in this moment, just as it is. Thoughts may come. Let them pass like clouds, like ripples, like water. And now take a moment to reflect. If a name fades, what remains? When ink vanishes and voice is quiet, what is left of who we are? If a name fades, what remains? When ink vanishes and voice is quiet, what is left of who we are? Do you carry your name, or does it carry you? If no one called you by it, would it still be yours? Do you carry your name, or does it carry you? If no one called you by it, would it still be yours? Now bring your hands to your heart, and as always, send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with these reflections. I also put the suggestions for practical moments of Zen in your day into our private circle group in case you want to play with it. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a lovely day, and I will see you tomorrow.